I would just like to say, before the video starts, it's way funnier in in about 1.5 speed. So you should fix that. Thank you.
Look through the telescope? Of course I will. Oh, check the wall. Is there anything else here? I don't know about that. Let's see what this one has. See my horoscope. Something, blah, blah, blah. It's a wall. Ancient rottens cover the walls. You can just make out. At the walls. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. This part is gonna take so long reading all these sides. Should I skip them? Alright, you know what? I'm about to find out. Heads, we skip all the signs. Tails, I'm gonna just read it. Alright, Google. This is a very important decision. Heads or tails?
I'm ready.
Oh my.
Is it?
Heads or tails?
It's heads. Need me to flip again?
Should I do best 2 out of 3? You can flip again. Go ahead.
It's tails.
Alright, we're tied up. I call tails.
It's heads.
Oh my.
You lost this round.
Shut. Ooh, you pissing me off. We're just skipping all these times. I'm skipping them all. It's kind of black around here. No. I'm scared. Oh my. What is that? Oh, ankles. I'm too good at the game. You're never gonna hit me. Not with those skills. Your booty. Oh, I almost got stuck right there. You're never hitting me. I'm dying. Couldn't be. I'm too nimble for you. I'm going over here. I'm over here. I'm still over. I'm over here. Run! You're never gonna catch me. Guys, I'm a leaf now. Take a little sip of this drink. Not this dude again. He grabbed him by his eye. My goodness. Yeah. Walk along. Go ahead. I gotta get out of here. You need to go. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. Oh. I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky. If you were just standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. You clumsier than me. Why you always tripping? It's the mouse. You already know we gotta talk to him. This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown over it. It's stuck to the table. Hello? Squeak! Squeak! Alright, let me stop. Knowing they must one day extract the cheese from the mystical creature, crystal. It fills you with determination. It's an odd-looking telescope. Hello, sons. I was thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally $50,000 to use the premium telescope, but since I know you can use it for free. How about it? I'll use it, why not? I don't see much here, buddy. Am I looking into the sun? What am I? Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. He was gonna charge me? I think the cap was on it. Let's go talk to... Oh wait, he's not here yet. I spoiled it, my bad. I relocated my store, but there's still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get to the customers to come back. An ice cream? It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. The more you eat them. Well then, tell your friends. There's ice cream hidden in the depths of a watery cavern. The ancient glyphs have painted over... painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. So they're like, why'd I almost say Dunkin' Donuts? They're almost like Baskin Robbins. What a star! Oh. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Ooh. Are you a star? Nice to meet you. We'll go down here. And then go this way. Then you go down. Then you go this way. You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? No. You hear a passing conversation. Just one, but... It's kind of stupid. Not my problem. Ring, ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember, I asked you about clothes. Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is, very, very murdery, But I bet you already knew that. And because you knew that, I told her what you told me. You were wearing a dusty tutu. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This way you're safe and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with everyone is easy. Bing. I think something's wrong with that one. You walk past. Where'd I even get past from? What? Hold up. Let me hold up. Let me take a gander here. Let's see. A little, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Ooh. Should I flirt with him? Hold on though. I've already been flirting with Papyrus. I can't be flirting to no wiggly jello. Unless old Google tells me to. You already know, heads, we flirting with the jello. Tails, we gotta kill them all. I'm sorry. Heads or tails?
Would you like me to flip again?
This dude with head, bro, like. You wiggle your hips. Hold small wiggles back, but a meaningful conversation. Marble. Sexy wiggle. And then he proceeds to bite me. Alright, we gotta get out of here. I've got to do better. What's the timer at? 10 minutes. Alright. We're good. Oh, another flower. You hear a passing conversation.
Don't say that. Come on, I promise I won't laugh.
We all know you laugh. Cause I would laugh. A little, what am I trying to say? What's the word? A little giggle won't hurt nobody. The power to take their soul. Oh wait, I forgot. We're skipping the sign. Google said so. Not y'all again. I gotta go. Squash. Slime sounds. Oh, I can't make those slime sounds. I don't even know what that would sound like. What is that? That is, don't touch me with that. It's Onion Head.
Hey, there. Noticed you were, here. I'm Onion Song here.
Okay.
You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here. Huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite.
Alright, thank you. I don't have any money.
Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. Beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium like all my friends did.
You're a loser. I'm sorry.
The aquarium's full anyway, so even if I wanted to, and that's okay though. You hear? I'm gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean. You hear?
Alright, thank you.
Hey there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. In the water ball!
Thank you. That'll be all. Oh my goodness. Siren hides in the corner. But somehow encounters you anyway. Too bad. I'm running away. Should I just read the sign? Nah. Y'all don't care about the lore. I know you don't. I know you don't care. I'm not playing that. No. You know why? Because the dog is gonna doo-doo in my inventory and then steal the ruby. Why would I? Alright, I'll look at it. It's a statue. The statues. I cannot read. The structures at its feet seem dry. Well, maybe you need some Vaseline.